Hello everyone, this is a part 5 video on percent. Here in this video, we are going to learn what is profit or loss and how do we calculate these. So to understand what is profit or loss, we will see few basic definition. First is cost price. To buy something, we pay money. So that paying money is known as cost price. What is sell price? When we sell some item at some price, so receiving the money is known as sale price. Now profit. If we buy something at the cost of 100 rupees, so this 100 rupees is known as cost price and we sell it at the 120 rupees. So there is an increment in the sell price. So sell price is greater than cost price. And how much it is? 20. So there is an increment in the sell price. So we call it profit. If we buy something at the cost of 100 rupees and we sell it at the 80 rupees. So the cost price is greater than sell price. So it's a loss. Now here we will see the relation among cost price, sell price and profit or loss. So what is the relation? SP is equals to CP plus percent profit on CP. SP is equals to CP minus percent loss on CP. If we are given with any two values, for example CP and SP, so we can calculate profit. So if any two values are given, we can calculate the third one by using these two formula. Now I will see few problems on profit or loss. So here we have first problem. Find the cost price if SP is given rupees 770 and gain is 10%. So SP is given rupees 770 and the percent gain is given 10%, which is on CP. Now we have to calculate CP. So let the CP be X. Now we have a formula or relation among these three, which is SP equals to CP plus percent gain on CP. Substitute the value of all these three. SP we have 770, which is equals to X plus 10% on CP. Now 770 equals to X plus 10 over 100. Percent we can replace by 100 times X. Because CP we have X. Now this 0 will be cancelled with this 0. 770 equals to. Here we can take X common. So we will be left with 1 plus 1 over 10. After calculating this bracket, we will get X times 11 over 10. Now transpose this value to the other side, which is X equals to 770 times 10 over 11. Now cancel this. 11 times 1 is 11. 11 times is 77 followed by 0. So X equals to 70 times 10, which is 700 rupees. Now X we assumed as CP. So the cost price is rupees 700. And this is our answer. Now next is find the cost price if SP is 240 and the loss is 20%. So here we are given with SP, which is rupees 240 and percent loss, which is 20% on CP. We always calculate loss and gain on CP. And CP we need to find. So let the CP be X. Now we will use the formula SP, which is equals to CP minus. Here we have the loss, so I will write the minus percent loss on CP. Now substitute the value of all. 240, which is equals to X minus 20 over 100 times X. Now 20 times 1 is 20, 20 times 5 is 100. So 240, which is equals to X. Now X we can take common also. So 1 minus 1 over 5. Now after calculating this, we will get 240 equals to x times 4 over 5. Now transpose this value to the other side. We'll get x equals to 240 times 5 over 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24 and followed by 0. So x is equals to 60 times 5, which is 300. And x we have as CP. So the cost price is equals to rupees 300. So here we have our next problem. By selling an article, a shopkeeper gets 20% of profit. Find its selling price if cost price is 1500 rupees. So cost price is given, which is 1500 rupees, and percent gain is given, which is 20% on CP. Now SP we have to calculate. So the SP is CP plus percent gain on CP. Now SP is equals to CP we are given with 1500 plus percent gain is 20% times 1500. Now 1500 we can take common. Here we will be having 1 plus 20 over 100. Here I can cancel 20 and this 5. So SP is equals to 1500 1 plus 1 over 5. Now SP is equals to 1500 times, if we solve this bracket, we will get 6 over 5. 5 times 3 is 15 followed by 2 0. Now SP is 300 times 6, which is 1800. So the selling price will be rupees 1800, and this is our answer. Now here we have our next problem. By selling a mobile for rupees 7200, a loss of 10% is suffered. Find the cost price of the mobile. So we need to calculate cost price. SP is given, which is rupees 7200, and percent loss is given, which is 10% on CP. So let the CP be X. Now we have the formula SP, which is equals to CP minus percent loss on CP. Substitute all the values. SP is 7200, which is equals to X minus 10 over 100 times X. The 0 will be cancelled. So 7200 equals to X, we will take common. So here we will be left with 1 minus 1 over 10. Now after solving this bracket, we will get X times 9 over 10. Transpose this value to the other side. So X will be 7200 times 10 over 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 8 is 72 followed by 2 0. So X equals to 800 times 10, which is 8000. So the cost price is rupees 8000. So here we have our next problem. On selling an article for rupees 4950, a shopkeeper makes profit of 10%. Find. First is cost price of the article. So the selling price is given, which is 4950 rupees. Percent gain is given, which is 10% on CP, and CP we have to calculate. So let the CP be X. Now substitute the value in the formula, and formula we have SP is equals to CP plus, because we have percent gain, so we will write plus percent gain on CP. Now what is the value of SP? 4950, which is equals to x plus 10 over 100 times x. The 0 will be cancelled. 4950, which is equals to x. We will take common 1 plus 1 over 10. After calculating this, we will get 4950 equals to x times 11 over 10. Now x is 4950 times 10 over 11. If we will cancel these two quantity, 11 times 1 is 11. 11 times 45 is 495 followed by 0. So x equals to 450 times 10, which will give us 4500. So this is our CP, which is 4500 rupees. Now we'll do part B. New selling price of the article if the shopkeeper gets a gain of 15%. So cost price we have calculated, which is 4500 rupees, and SP we have to calculate, and percent gain, this time percent gain is what? 15% on CP. So we'll apply the formula SP is equals to CP plus percent gain on CP. CP is 4500 plus 15 over 100 times 4500. Now 4500 we will take common, and here we will get 1 plus 15 over 100. Now by solving this bracket, we will get 4500 times 115 over 100. These two 0 will be cancelled with these two 0. So SP is equals to 45 times 115. Now by multiplying these two numbers, we will get 5175 rupees. So if the shopkeeper makes, thank you.